So you've placed an order and you're waiting on your shipment to arrive. Fortunately, myVEGA makes it simple to track it. And once your sensor arrives, commissioning and setup will be a breeze. You'll find My Transactions along the dark gray bar at the top of the page. Once there, select the Orders tab and locate your order. This will give you access to your order status, including shipment tracking. Before your order even arrives, you can begin learning how to set it up by clicking on your instrument's serial number. From here, you can find the corresponding operating instructions along the right side of the page. If you install VEGA instrumentation using Bluetooth, myVEGA will store your pins and codes for you. Just visit My Products using the dark gray tab at the top of the page. Then select the Pins and Codes tab. There, you'll find all the pins and codes of every instrument you've set up using Bluetooth and the last time a change was made. Finally, if you ever need help from an actual person, your VEGA contact and their information can always be found right there on your myVEGA homepage. Tracking your order, commissioning your device, and getting help from VEGA is made easier in the myVEGA portal. In the next video, we'll take myVEGA on the go with the VEGA Tools app.